Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play 5M with GTA 5 in Chains Edition. So let's start. So I'm here on this forum that we have on GTA 5, and this forum tells us how you can go to this edition. That it says that in your PC configuration, recommend that you install GTA Legacy version and not the GTA Unchained version. And the answer, GTA Unchained version doesn't currently work with 5M. The only 5M addition to the TBR engine is this one that appears here, and we don't have more information about it. So if you want to do it, so you have to go to the edition that it says, and it's recommended to do it in legacy version. You can find it, the GTA V version that you can install on your computer and have this before the enchanted, because well, it doesn't have it. The only 5 edition is then shot that one, and it's coming soon. So guys, well, I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.